Hello, beautiful soul family. Thanks for joining me on my channel. I'm Sudipta the Mystic Crab, and I'm here with your daily reading for the 13th of May. The focus of this channel is to help you rise to your true potential, and I'm here to help you get the daily guidance towards the life of your dreams. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with your situation. It's a timeless reading. Please take the guidance when you are drawn to it. To book private readings with me, you can find details below in the description box. If you like the content, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you for everybody who has already subscribed to my channel. Thank you for all the love that you keep sending me. Thank you. All right, let's get into today's reading. So what it feels like is, with this thinking man, it seems like we all have been in that energy of contemplating and going deep within ourselves to seek answers. Several types of answers. It could be doing something to do with our life, with our career, with things that's happening around us. So, since we have been going through a lot of contemplation and also a lot of overworking at home because of the lockdown, so this is the time where we need some rest. We need to take some break. We need to get some rest, give some rest to our minds, to our bodies, before we finally take that step where we walk away from all unhealthy situations which have not served us well so far. So this is the time where we need to take that little break before we take this final step of walking away from things, people, situations which do not hold any benefit to our future. As we evolve, there are a lot of things that stay back. It's like how a caterpillar goes inside the pupa to become a butterfly. So when it gets out as a butterfly, it leaves that pupal shell. So this is that period of transformation where we have been going through these contemplating periods, and we just need some rest before we shed that final pupal shell and move out as this beautiful butterfly, so that we can start expressing our truth. We can start communicating what we really want to do. And the communication truly starts with ourselves first before we start communicating with someone else. The kindness in our communication with ourselves drives the kindness of the communication with others. So, first and foremost, we need to be kind to ourselves while we have those dialogues with ourselves. We need to stop being our worst critics. We need to be more compassionate towards ourselves. We need to walk away from one of those important things which have always pulled us down, that is that self criticism. Let's be kind to ourselves, guys. We are the only people we own in reality. Everybody else in our life is true to a certain extent, but it's most of an illusion. It's a projection of our own minds. So if we are true to ourselves, we treat ourselves with love, that's exactly what is projected in our relationship with all the external people in our lives. So the message from universe that I have is, I am the dreamer of my dream. So isn't that beautiful when it says that we need to get some rest? So when you get some rest, you can get those final dreams that you want to make true in your life. So this is the time to take a little break and slow down a little bit, because yes, we all have been on that hamster wheel for a while now. So let's take that little break. We all deserve it. It's very well deserved, guys. All right. So I hope you like the message. I wish you guys have a very good day. Thank you, and sending you so much love. Bye. Have a good day.